Kublai phi baro akini gilongi khubor bam takasngi. Ka jingjia ha Garo Hills menta klas dang wandur ka babiang hadien ba sorkar klala bante lakam. Na kaliang ka sorkar ha ka jingyalam menteri rang ba ka jila konrat ke sang mareng kat berusumbut menteri rang ba preston tensong ha ka sni palai kilale banya kendu ya u governor ka jila usi HV Shankar Haraj Bhawan banya kran halor ka jinglong jingman ka Shongsuk Shongsan ba ki jingjia pat ba ki brang shudem. Hadien gane ka jingya kendu CM ulapan pau ka sorkar kala shim kya bha ya kini ki jingja bat kala batha iki bor pulit banne AA mardor ulo ong bah ka jing shisha ka kam ban pet ya ka an ka riti pat ba ka de ka benta ka ba kongsan jong ki pulit bat klas dang ban shim mi ki sunjam ki badon kam bante la kam ya kinu ki jing kulmar ukon rat ke sang mau la ban rap bagi pulit kila pen khanya ke jing pet ngor bad kendang beteng banne iki kam persha iki riu penjulor vandals bad kinu ki bapen khenya ka an ka thong ka ba kongsan jung ka sarkar ka long ban wan ra biang ye ka jing long normal habaro ka jilla bad ban ai jing ya da ya ki pat ba ka sarkar jilla kala pen tikana ro bakanom ailat ikinu ki jing ja banang jur bad baro kila jing ya da kin beteng ban trekam hadu ba ka jing suk kan Wanphai pura ha ka jilla
Yeah. Sir, can I have a word?
Yes. Sir, regarding your meeting with Governor.
Yeah. I was for most of the last 2 weeks. I was in Garo Hills, and as we are all aware that there were different situations and different law and order situations that happened, and which required my full attention. So I was there in Garo Hills. And all this while I was only able to communicate with the Honorable Governor on the phone, and therefore I felt it appropriate that I must come and brief him along with Deputy CM in charge home about the current prevailing situation, especially in Garo Hills. Also the different incidents that led to the different law and order situations that we faced. So a complete briefing on the entire matter was given to the Honorable Governor, and that was my basic purpose of visit. Number one, Governor has, after I briefed him, so he was of course much more aware about what happened, and so the briefing was basically just, as I said, a briefing on the law and order situation. Regarding the arrest, we'll be very clear on this. It is purely police department's responsibility, and based on whatever evidence and whatever rules that are there, the police will take action. I'm not aware of how many arrests have been made. I'm not aware of who all been arrested. It's a pure police matter, and police is taking steps as per law and as per evidence. So I think the SP there will be in a position to reply to that, to the different SPs. But those details are not there. In terms of the violence and different incidents have come down. There are some sporadic incidents that are there once in a while. Violence has come down, but we are keeping a close watch to ensure that there is normalcy should return. To a large extent, it has returned. To a large extent, people are now getting on with their day-to-day lives. To a large extent, as I said, even after assessing the situation, the internet ban also has been lifted. So these are signs of some sort of normalcy returning. But we are carefully monitoring the situation.